Right now, the judge overseeing the Idaho college murder case of Brian Kohberger has granted a change of venue for his upcoming trial. This comes after the defense successfully argued it was too great of a risk to pull a jury from the area that the killings occurred in 2020. Kohberger is accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students in their off-campus home. Our legal contributor and trial attorney, Brian Buckmeyer, joins me now for more. So, Brian, are you surprised that they got a venue change?
Karen, not really. After listening to the arguments and looking at the standards, I thought this was pretty possible, especially when I reminded of the fact of Idaho moving another major case just some months ago. I'm talking about Chad Daybell. That case was in Idaho as well and moved to Ada County from where it was. Now, and listening to the arguments and the decision as well, just understanding that the judge is saying yes to the fact that it was reasonably likely there'd be a presumption of prejudice if the case remained in this venue based on all of the publicity. But he also argued that the area of Latah County just isn't big enough, that local police would have to come into the court to help monitor the case as it goes on, and the court's just not big enough for such a major case. So it made sense to move it.
So what happens next? Will the judge remain on the case?
So unlikely that the judge will remain on the case. What happens next is the judge has actually ordered this case to go to the state Supreme Court to then decide where it should go within the state. More likely than not, the case, when it gets transferred, we have the same prosecutors and the same defense attorneys, of course, but wherever it go, it'd probably go to a judge in that county.
All right.